Hey everyone, Eric Whitley here, and welcome back for another L2L tips and tricks videos. Hey, do you need a better and more efficient way to capture changeover time out on the shop floor? L2L solved that problem for you in our production module. Simply go to the operator portal where all the operators can see what they are running and what they need to run. You can see here that they're running a particular product. If they need to go do a changeover, you can see that they can see exactly what they need to run next. So they're going to go into this order. They're going to complete that order. They're going to choose their next product and start the changeover. The clock is now running on that changeover. So they can go perform the changeover. And when they are done with the changeover, they come over to the finish changeover button, click that, and L2L captures all that changeover time and can now be available for you to go see in Pareto charts very simply in L2L. So a really great feature on our operator portal in our production module. If you'd like to see more about the production module, go to L2L.com, sign up for a free demo, give us a call. Go follow us on all our social media platforms, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and go check out all these other videos over on L2L on YouTube. You can see all of our information there as well. So again, really neat feature, capturing all the changeover time quickly and efficiently out on the shop floor. Thanks for joining me, Eric Whitley, and signing out. See you. Bye.